Welcome, boys. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to take the gas cap off of a Dodge, Neon, Plymouth Neon, Dodge Ram, any sort of Dodge from this era. Now, why am I even bothering with the video like this, you ask? Well, because I just told Katie to go to the gas station and fill up that Neon. And then she called me and said, "Hey, did you get the gas cap off? It won't come off, And then I said, "Did you try rotating it counterclockwise?" She goes, "Yeah, I know, to the left. It only goes like 3/4 of a turn, and then it stops." I was like, okay, well, maybe it's cross-thread. I don't know, I guess bring it back home. So she drives it back home, and then I immediately take it off. And I'm like, well, that was really hard. What was the problem? She's like, well, I tried and it didn't work. So here's what she did or didn't do. Gas cap. This one's the same as that one. Also the same as the Ram. You rotate it until it doesn't move anymore, and then you pull. See how this gas cap has like one continuous thread and these two locky triangle things? So you turn it till it clicks 3 times. That's tight. To untighten it, notice it, like she was saying, only goes like 3/4 of a turn, and then you just got to turn a little more, and then it comes off. So let's try it again. Trying it again, boys. Rotate. See, it feels like it stops, but then you go a little more, and then pull. And that is how you take the gas cap off of your Dodge Neon, Plymouth Neon, Dodge Ram, any sort of Dodge and or other Chrysler product from that era. So I think that should go without saying, but in case there's more than one Katie out there at the gas station right now, like, how do I get the gas cap off, Hollywood? Now you know how. Thanks for watching, boys. Peace.